Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Janelle. This is my bedtime routine while I have these faux locks in my hair. For the most part, they aren't very high maintenance, but sometimes I do have to go in and give it a little extra loving care. So first, I'm starting off by showing you all of the areas in which I need to really work on. Some of the locks have started to unravel due to high manipulation in some areas. It's not too much, mostly around the front. So first I'm going to start off with some water. This is just simple water, nothing special about it. I'm just going to spray that on my hair, all throughout my scalp and throughout the shaft of the hair. It's not going to penetrate through most of the locks, but some moisture is better than none at all. So after spraying my hair down with the water, I'm just going to take a little time to try and squeeze that water into each lock, and then I go in with my butter mix. So I made this shea butter mix with some shea butter and some oils. I can make a video on how I do make this, but it's not really technical. It's a simple mix. I just go in and then oil my scalp. I know I do have a lot on my hand in this video, but even though I say it's a nighttime routine, this part I don't do every single night. So I just put enough on my scalp for, I guess, a few days. And then I go in with some oil, rubbing the oil in my hand to warm it up, and then I massage my scalp. Since my last chop, I've been working on making sure I massage my scalp a lot more often. I just want to really work on maintaining strong, healthy hair, and I won't be bleaching again, hopefully. But I just take good time to just massage everything, tipping my head to the side, getting the back, getting the front, getting the blood flowing, and especially the front areas where the hair isn't growing that thick. And then I go through and I look for any of these romantic pieces of hair that are knotted. Like I mentioned, I really don't like this hair. Not recommending it. When I do this style again, I'll make sure not to use this hair. I just go through any tangles and I remove hair in those areas just to make it look a lot nicer. I know this is a bohemian hairstyle, so it doesn't have to look really neat, but the romantic curls should really look nice and flowy. I don't like it looking trashy and kind of locked up like the actual locks. So I just go through and look for anything that needs to be removed. If you leave this hair out, you probably won't have to do this next stage, but because I do love pinned up hairstyles, I need to do this. So I get a little moisturizer and I'm going to moisturize the ends of my hair that have come out of the lock a little, and then a little more of that butter, and I'm sealing that in and just gonna wrap it back up into the lock. So you probably won't have to do this if you leave the hair out, but like I said, I do a lot of styles. I pull, I tug at it, so sometimes things like that happen. After I check to make sure there isn't anything else I need to address, I'm gonna tie my hair up for the night. So I flip my whole head upside down and I'm gonna make a little pineapple. So just a bandana, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with the bandana, not tugging too much. Here I'm just going through and making sure there's not too much tension on any individual lock. So any lock that's feeling a bit tight, I just pull it down. The next stage is to get my cap. Now this cap isn't big enough to hold everything. Even though this is for big braids, it doesn't cover everything for me. So I may need to look into buying a larger one. But even if it was large enough, I'm not sure if it's gonna stay put on my head. So to make sure it does stay put, I go ahead and get this satin wrap. I tie my hair down with it for the rest of the night, and it's as simple as that. Now every step I do not do every single night, but I do make sure I massage my scalp, and I do tie my head up every night, even if I'm really tired. So after I tie my hair up at night, this point I feel like one real Rasta woman. But this is all I do. It's quick and very necessary. Like this video if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want more from me. And until next time, lovelies.
Don't confuse me with somebody else, 'cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.